what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be an Amazon clothing haul. Lately I've been getting a lot of invite for events और मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है इवेंट्स में पहनने के लिए, सो आई थॉट आई शुड गेट सम. सो जितने भी मेरे क्लोथिंग आइटम लिए हुए हैं आर मोर ऑफ लाइक ग्रेट फॉर फॉर्मल इवेंट्स बट यू कैन ऑल्सो ड्रेस इट कैजुअली. सो दिस इज ग्रेट फॉर पीपल हु गो टू ऑफिसेज एंड हु वांट सम लाइक डुअल मल्टी फंक्शनल क्लोथिंग. So yeah, उसमें थोड़े casual pieces भी है which I absolutely love. So can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's get started. Slowly kisses passing by the river. The first thing I picked up is this formal pant by Vera Moda and this is how it looks like. I really like the color. Description में brown लिखा हुआ था but clearly I don't think this is brown. It kind of looks like a mix of mehendi and mango color but I really like it. Something different, something that I don't have or own. And I really like the quality. It's very soft and very comfortable. The fit of this, as you can clearly see, it's a wide pant and it's very like loose and slouchy, very comfortable and the material is top notch. Vera Moda का तो quality तो अच्छा है ही. Obviously it's very soft and very comfortable on your body and this is how it looks like. I really like the top portion of it. इसमें ये बेल्ट दिया हुआ है और ये मैंने साइज मीडियम में लिया हुआ है. आई फील इट्स अ लिटिल टू बिग ऑन मी. आई थिंक साइज स्मॉल या फिर एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल भी मुझे हो जाता. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु यूजुअली फिट्स इन अ मीडियम कैटेगरी, go for a size down because even on the waist it's a little too big on me, but you can fix it because it does have this belt और अगर आप अच्छे से tie करोगे it gives it like a scrunched back kind of a look which is definitely very in and it looks very good especially for formal events or even for offices. I feel this is such a great pick. Style this with a white shirt or a white spaghetti if you want to wear it casually, but I think this is a definite must pick and I really like it, so thumbs up. Next I picked up this jumpsuit by Vera Moda again and this is how it looks like. Love this coral color, so pretty na? And this is how it looked like. Color I really love and I majorly picked it up because it looked so good on the model. I'll pop the picture over here. It looked so good on her. I definitely had to grab this and this is such a perfect pick for events, formal events, offices. Imagine this with a nice black blazer, right? It looks so good. The quality and material of this jumpsuit is really good. It's so soft and it literally flows on your body. As you can clearly see it in the try on part, it does fit like very loose and slouchy and it does have this drawstring right around the waist area. Cinch it up to define that waist and it just gives that beautiful hourglass figure, still making you look very elongated because of the way it fits on your body. I feel it's a very classy and elegant piece and something that will work beautifully if you want to wear it in an office, kind of give that boss bitch kind of an image. If you want to wear it for a formal event where you do want to look a little bit more professional, such a great piece. I picked it up in a size large. इसमें भी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I could have easily picked a size small or a medium. So do size down because it is on the looser side. So loose भी थोड़ा अच्छे से ही आपको drape होगा. But overall it looks very chic and elegant and I really like it. So thumbs up. Next I picked up a crop denim jacket by Only and oh my god, this one has my heart. If you know me, I love denim jackets and I'm always on a lookout for a good one. This is exactly that. अगर ये पूरे हॉल में अगर कुछ भी नहीं लिया ना, ये ज़रूर लेना because this is a stellar piece of clothing item और इस सेल में तो ये बहुत ही अच्छे discounted price में मिल रहा है, तो definitely grab this one. I picked it up in a size medium and it fit me perfectly. इसका जो material है and the feel of it is so good. The quality is 10 on 10. Again, this is not very thick. वो denim वो एकदम stiff वाला material होता है ना, ये नहीं है. ये बहुत ही soft है और stretchable है. So this is perfect for Mumbai kind of weathers जहाँ पर इतनी ठंड नहीं पड़ती है and you can wear this in summers as well because ये बहुत ही lightweight है और इतना ज़्यादा आपको गर्मी feel नहीं होगी इसमें. So this is perfect for Mumbai weathers, I would say. And I love that it's cropped. It's not oversized. It's just perfect for me. It does have full length sleeve but I like to wear it folded like this and this is how it looks in the back. ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. It's just a basic denim jacket but it's absolutely perfect for me, I would say. I love the small like these silver detailings of the button. इस पे भी only embossed है and yeah, जो ये cut out है, the frayed detailing, everything about it, it's so minimal but perfect. and this will look so freaking good on one pieces or any strappy top. Just pop this on and it just makes the outfit 10. I absolutely love this. Just definitely grab this one. Next, I've picked up a leather jacket. This is like faux leather, and this is again by Vera Moda, and this is how it looks like. It's such a beautiful red color. Description में chili oil लिखा हुआ है, so this is a chili oil color by the way. And I love the detailings on this. The quality is a 10 on 10. Actually मेरे पास ऐसा similar वाला एक black में था, but अब वो मुझे fit भी नहीं होता और वो खराब भी हो गया है. So I definitely wanted a new one, and this is absolutely perfect. It looks so freaking good. I love it. वो denim के बाद ना this will be my second favorite purchase, I would say. I love the detailings on the jacket. ये जो साइड पॉकेट, ये एक्चुअल पॉकेट तो है नहीं, बट ऐसे पॉकेट वाला डिटेलिंग दिया हुआ है. बट इट डज हैव अ पॉकेट एट द बॉटम ओवर हियर. दिस इज अ फंक्शनल पॉकेट एंड लव द जिप. अगेन इट्स अ वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी, और जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है कलर से, एवरीथिंग इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग रियली वेल. एंड ये जो स्मॉल स्मॉल डिटेलिंग्स है यहाँ पर एंड ऑल ओवरऑल इन द बैक एज वेल, इट्स रियली रियली गुड. इनसाइड में इट हैज़ दिस मटेरियल ओवर हियर, सो इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑन द इनसाइड. एवरीवेयर हैंड्स पे भी ये मटेरियल है, तो बहुत ही अच्छे से स्लाइड होता है. दिस इज आई हैव पिक्ड अप इन द साइज स्मॉल. लेदर जैकेट मुझे ओवरसाइज नहीं पसंद है. आई एक्चुअली लाइक इट अ लिटिल बिट मोर टाइट, so it looks very like it's made for me, something like that. It does not zip in the front for me because obviously it's small, but मुझे वैसे पसंद है. Obviously you can pick it up in your size, but I have picked it up in a size small, and this is how it looks like. Absolutely perfect. I love how it looks in the back. Honestly इसका back का जो detailing है ना, it just fits so good. Absolutely love it. Definitely grab it. It's a big thumbs up from my end. And lastly, I've picked up a skinny jeans by Vera Moda, and this is how it looks like. I know अभी skinny jeans ज़्यादा कोई पहनता नहीं है, but I feel like you always need at least one good skinny jeans in your wardrobe, and that's why I grabbed this, because जितने भी पहले मेरे पास skinny jeans थे, अभी वो मुझे fit होते नहीं, so I wanted something that will actually fit me. And I'm always looking out for that skinny jeans, because कुछ कपड़े होते हैं ना, like this top right over here will only look good with the skinny jeans. If I wear it with a slouchy pant, it won't look good. तो tops के लिए skinny jeans I feel is a must have in your wardrobe, and I really like this. This is by Vera Moda again, and this is how it looks like. Okay, the quality of this denim is really good, but it is a little stiff. I picked it up in a size 30, और ये बाकी सारे sizes में मुझे fit होता है, but Vera Moda में I am running a little tight, so size up I would say 30 अगर होता है आपको तो go for a 32 and vice versa. But even the material when you wear it, it is a little वो stiff वाला denim जो होता है ना, वैसा है ये. Stretchable वैसा वाला नहीं है, so just keep that in mind. But the look and feel of it is really good. I love इसके जो रिप्स दिए हुए हैं, जहाँ पर रिप्स है बहुत ही क्लासी लग रहा है. लाइक दिस वन राइट ओवर हियर, एंड जस्ट यहाँ पर एक स्लिट दिया हुआ है. आई लव द कलर ऑफ दिस denim. It's just perfect the way I like it. So overall it's really good, but it's a little tight on me, so I'll probably return it or exchange it for a size 32. But yeah, I really like it. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, Amazon Mega Fashion Day sale is now live from 16th to 20th Feb. So get your shopping done now to get up to 70% off on top fashion brands. So what are you waiting for? सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूँगी. Do not forget to check them out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.